Okay, welcome back for today. So let's look into the today's lead code problem, domino and tromino tiling. Okay, so we have to form 2 cross 1 means n cross and 2 cross n tile we have to form using the two kind of shape. One is domino tile is available of size 2 and Tromino tile is available of size 3 where the size is 3. Okay, and we have given an integer, and for that we have to form two cross and board using that, and the number of way we have to return such that we can form a board of 2 cross and board. Okay, using that such tiles in a different combination, and we have to return all combinations. So the resultant will be 10 to the power 9. Okay, so there is a one example is given that when n is 3 means we have to form a tile of size 6. So these are the possible scenarios, like if we look into this, number of dominoes we can form using 3 is whatever 1 1, like this we can form all two tiles in this form, or we can form these two tiles in this way and one tile in this way, or whatever the third one combination will be this, and using 3 we can form this one combination, this one, or the second one combination also is possible like this. So these all are the combinations. So for that, how, is it possible that we can generate, or means is it possible that we can count the number of possibles for each number? No. So for that, what kind of approach we can introduce here? The DP kind of approach. So for that we have to find the some pattern in it. So the one pattern in it, I see that if I want to make number of 4 patterns for n equal to 2, so whatever the changes I have to do here. So if I look into this, so previously whatever the changes, this is the previous one intuition. Let me change my color, so like this. So the previous intuition is this one, and using that old combination, whatever that form I can formed, the this one formed. Either we can add one to the left or one to the right. Okay, so for all of them we can form into two combination. So all of these 5 combination we can form how many number of combination? 10 combination, 5 times 2. Okay, because either one tile we can add it to the left, or a one tile we can add it to the right, so it will form n into 2 combination, whatever this value, the previous combination for n equal to 3. So that number of combination we can form. See, whatever the combination, n minus 1 combination, whatever the combination of n minus 1 times 2, and we have to add that in that we have to add whatever the number of tiles is formed using the these three domino tiles, using 3 domino tiles, either this one or either this one. Okay, so using that one tile, number of combination we can formed, so we have to check. So for that, initially we took base case as 1, so 1, so we can form one tile. So we will add here n minus 3, whatever the combination is formed. So initially we took n minus 3 as a 1 as a base case. So we'll look into the code side also, as if we see this DB problem, this will be first, this will return. So whatever the value of n, if the value of n is 1, then simply we need to return one combination. If n is 2, then simply we have to return 2, because we can form only these two combination, one and second one is this combination, only these two combination need to be formed. So we'll return 2. For n equal to 3, we return 5. So how we can calculate 5? To n minus 2, whatever the value of n minus 2 here is, this one, n minus 1, n minus 1 will be 2. So into times 2, we have to multiply the 2 plus addition, and in that we have to add n minus 3, whatever the value of n minus 3. Okay, so we have to read n minus 1 value will be 2 and n minus 1 n minus 3. So initially we took base case n minus 3 value will be 1. So 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4 and plus 1. So it should be whatever the value, it should be 4 plus 1. So it's 5. Similarly, so after that, here we took one DP table of n plus 1 size, and for all the base cases we initialize DP. DP of 0 is 1. This is the base case is 1. For 3 domino we took as a 1, and for 1 after that we took initialize the with the working for 1 tile, 2 tile and 3 tile. And here we just iterate over it, and the DP equation is that DP of I will be updated as DP of I minus 1, the previous state, times 2. Okay, using the previous state, whatever the count of previous state times 2 combination we can form now. And the number of combination using the last multiple of 3. So the tile whose which is last multiple of 3 is we have to take, so I minus 3 it is, so we'll take the base case here, DP of I minus 3. So update, and as we have to return 10 to mod of 10 to the power 9 plus 7, so we'll return that simply. So this is the basic approach, but here the this approach is working fine using DP table, but here we have to need a consecutive array of size n plus 1. So can we optimize in terms of space? Yes, as we need only last 3 states. Okay, as we need only last 3 state is 0, 1 and 2. Okay, only last 3 state we need, so we can update it like this. If n is less than 3, simply return n. Then update the states. Base case 1, for 1 number of combination 1, for 2 number of combination is 2, and we have to iterate over I equal to 3 to till the whatever the value of n, and here we have to update. So the equation is at last state, first last state multiple of 2 for last state which is t2, and we have to take the t minus 3 state, and the t minus 3 state is t0, so we have to took it and take the mode in it. Okay, after that we have to update all the states, all the t1 become t0, t2 become t1, and the t2 state will be t1 temp, and in the similar way in the last we can return simply t2 value, t2 mode equal to mode. Okay, this is approach is working fine, and I already submitted this. So previously when I submit this equation using this DP array, so it will use 8.9 MB. Now without using this DP array, it is more optimized and using 7.7 MB. Okay, got it. Thank you for it.